All right, so let's start again. So we were done till problem number 15. Let's start from problem number 16. Okay. So what it is saying is that what will happen for the perimeter of a square if its side is double. So let's say if the side of a square is how much? If side is, let's say side is side. Okay.
Side is equal to side,
Side.
and let's
Okay.
say it's 2 centimeters.
Let's say side is side. In that case, the perimeter value will be how much? The perimeter value will be nothing but the P that is equal to 4 times of slide. Okay, it is equal to 4 times multiplied by side. Okay. Now what we are saying is this: if side is doubled, now if I will double the slide, that means side is what? 2 times of side, right? Okay. Okay. So let's say this was the original perimeter. Okay. If this was the original perimeter, what I need to do, I need to found the new perimeter. But in the case of new perimeter, what they are saying, the side is double. That means rather than side, now it's how much? It's twice of side, right? It's what? Double of side, right? Two of side, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So without going too much effort, I can simply say that is nothing but what? Twice of multiply by 4 times side, right?
Yes.
And that is nothing but twice of P1.
Yes.
That is
So
nothing
this
but
proves
twice of P1.
that perimeter
So that
also.
means if in order to answer this question, if I will double the side, the perimeter also will get double. It's
Yes.
quite obvious, right? If something originally 5 centimeter was there, then the perimeter was say 20. If I will double, that means 10 become 40. Okay.
Yes.
But guys, the way you have to solve this is the way you have to solve. You have to write perimeter P1 equal to 4 multiplied by side. Now side is double, so you'll say double of side. Okay. And then to take 2 out, 4 multiplied by side. Then you can say, okay, this 4 multiplied by side is equal to P1. That's okay.
Yep.
Then you can conclude like that. Okay.
Yes.
Problem number 17. If you have to build a fence around a backyard, which measure would you use to find the amount of fencing needed?
I think this is really easy.
Fencing is a perimeter.
Yeah. No. Amount. Find the amount. Which measure? So I think it would be meters.
If you build a backward,
Let's
which,
write both.
but wait, question, where it's given meter or centimeter?
Measure means
No,
that only,
read,
no?
no, measure means, but unit have been given? No.
No.
Read the question. If you would like to fence around a backyard, there's a backyard, I need to build a fence. Which measure? When you say measure, that means whether I'm supposed to measure area, whether I'm supposed to measure volume. So that is the problem. Am I supposed to calculate the area? Am I supposed to calculate volume? Am I supposed to calculate perimeter? Who do you use to find the amount of fencing needed? What I have to do, I have to find the fencing. That means what I have to find?
Calculate the perimeter.
Perimeter. The answer is perimeter. Okay, don't make silly mistakes, Krishna. This is a very simple problem. Okay. All right, sorry. Let's go to the next problem. Okay, find the length of a rectangle. Find the length of a rectangle whose area is this and breadth is this. Very simple problem. All right. So that is this area is 80. This is 10. So 80 divided by 10 is 8. The answer is what? L equal to 8 meter, right?
Yep.
Focus 8 meter. Yes. What has the greater volume? Okay. So they are asking what has the greater volume. Okay. Basically, there is a volume one. Ask Mama. Volume one will be what? L1 multiply by V1 multiply by H1. Okay. Basically, I will. If you see smartly, guys here, so it's basically 200. हाँ खा लो बेटा. 200 multiply by 60 and then multiply by 4, right? It is the
Yes.
volume will be on. Now V2 is how much?
I.
V2 is how
Oh
much?
wait, it's 40.
Oh, sorry, it's 40. Okay. It's 40. So V2 will be how much? That is
600.
600 multiply by
50.
50 multiply by 70, right?
Yeah.
Guys, just now I have told you a simple formula. See, I will not do all this calculation. Why? Because see here 200 and 600 like this, right? So I will drop all the zeros. What I will do, I will drop all the zeros, right? Basically, this formula become how much? 2 multiply by 6 multiply by 4. Okay, how many zeros will become here? Multiply by how many zeros? Tell me.
Multiplied by
Say
1,
1, 2,
2, 3,
3,
4.
4. 4 zeros. So
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Right?
Yeah. So
That is how much? 2, 6, 12, 12 multiplied by 48, right? So this
yeah.
is 48. I will not worry about zero. Why? Because the same amount of zeros are here also. So I will simply say what? 600,
I mean, no,
6
6 multiplied by 5.
multiply by 5
30.
multiply by 7 and then I will multiply by what? 1000, right?
Yes.
Oh no,
10,000.
10,000.
Yes.
Why? Because 4 zeros, right?
Yes.
So 6 5s are
6 5s are 30.
30 into 7,
30 into 7, 210.
210. And then multiply by this.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
So which is a good about? See,
the
by looking at the problem itself, we can see this. Here a height was more. And here that like 50, here 70. So if you see by looking at the problem itself, we can say this is more, right?
yes,
Yeah, but you need to do the calculation and say the second one is
to
more.
prove
Okay.
it, yes.
But if you are in IIT and all, no, you can just take the call. Okay, V2 is more. Okay. So you have to sometimes guess also. Okay. Okay, next problem. The next problem is this. Find the length of a cuboid curtain. It's a cuboid, okay?
Yes.
30 multiplied by 20. What is the height? Very important. What is the formula? Volume equal to what? L.
LBH.
What will be H?
H will be
Volume divided by
volume
LL,
divided by
LLB.
length multiplied by V.
So
I mean
30 into
length
20, how
plus.
much it will come?
So 50. 30 plus 20 is equal
30 plus 30. No, Babu. You have to do L into B, na? That will be 6,000 divided by
6,000 divided by 30 into 20 be 600.
30 into 20.
30,
30
30
into
into
10,
3,
how much?
huh?
30 into 10.
30 into 10, 300.
So 30 into 220.
30 into 20.
Uh,
30 into 20, 600.
that is the answer.
Yes.
So now if I will do 6,000 divided by 600, how much is the answer? 10.
Yeah.
Have you got the problem?
Yes.
See, by multiplying this into this, I'll get the area, right?
Yes.
And if I will divide volume by area, I'll get the height. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay.
Makes sense.
Next problem. An empty cupboard is the side is this. This problem I think we have already solved. I think it was in your book also.
Yes.
See what they are saying. There is an empty cuboid cubical carton of side 9 centimeter. So if this is 9 centimeter, what will be the volume here? The volume will be how much? Shall be
9
that will
multiplied by 9,
that is
81.
equal to you have to do multiplication 90 times. 9
Yes.
multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9, right?
Yes. So
Okay.
9 nines are 81 and 81 multiplied by 9 according to be 729.
Okay. Let's say you are right. Okay. What can you fit 1,000 of 1 centimeter cube? Answer is no.
No.
Answer is no. See, I can play smart also and I can say it will not come. Why? Because I know I am a smart guy. I know कि 10 का तो cube होता है that is 1,000, right?
Yes.
10 multiplied by 10 is so 1,000, right? So
Yes.
9 will not fit that requirement. So I can without solving problem I also can say no. Okay, you can do like that. Okay,
Yes.
I hope you got the problem right.
Yep.
The cost of fencing a rectangular pit at 18 rupees per meter is 300. Uh, at rupees per meter is rupees 316 too. Okay, it's interesting problem. They have given you the cost. The cost
Cost
per meter is 18 rupees.
so I think it
Total
will be
cost is how much? 360,
3,600
600.
rupees.
So that means what is the total perimeter?
We have to divide.
So here what we have to do, you have to first find the perimeter.
Yes.
So how I'll get the perimeter? Perimeter is will nothing but what? 3,600 divided by 18.
Yep.
Don't you know the formula of 18? The table of 18?
I
18
do.
to the 36. So that is 200, right?
Yes. 200.
I'll get the 200. That is the perimeter. That
Yes.
is the perimeter of the field.
Yes.
Very
So
simple problem.
it will be
They can
200
also add
per
the
meter.
twist here. They can also what they can do. They can
They
give
can
you
change
the
the units.
no, that is also there. They can give you the length and then they will ask you to find the breadth
Area.
or find the area of that rectangle or find
Yes.
rectangle. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the next problem. How many tiles whose length and breadth are respectively needed to cover a rectangular region? Okay. Basically, it's like a bigger problem. We have to find the
Yeah.
area of room. So area of room will be how much? Here we
We
can
have to
do.
multiply.
Okay. So that will be how much? 400 multiplied by 360, right? So I
Ye-
can also do like this, what? 36 multiplied by 4 and then multiply by what? 1,000, right?
Yes.
So 36 into 4 कितना होगा? Thir-
36 into 4.
Wait, let's simplify the problem.
Yes.
Let's say 35 into 4 कितना होगा? 35 into 4 is very easy.
Yeah.
35 into double कितना होगा? 35 into 35?
35 into 35, 70.
70. 35 2 जा is 70. So
Yeah.
35 4 जा कितना होगा?
70. So it would be 210.
No. 35 into 2, how much?
35 into 2 is 70.
20. 35 into 4 कितना होगा फिर?
35 into 4 in that case.
70 into 2.
Yeah. So
70 into 2 is how much? 140.
yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So I can say, then in that case, 35 into 4, how much?
The 35 into 4 is also 140.
140. But I need to find 36 into 4. That means I have to add 4 more.
Yes, so 144.
Let's see by multiplication you're getting same or not.
Yep. Yep, it's correct.
144, right?
Yep.
You need to break the problem in a smart way. So see, that is the way I did. Did like this. What I did, I multiplied 35, multiply by 2, I got 70. Then I 70 multiplied by 2, 140. Then that one was extra, right? That one I need to add 4 times, right? So
Because
1, that is 4. I got, okay, 140 plus 4, 144, and then that 1000. This is the way you have to do mental math, guys. Otherwise, you will keep solving the problem like a robot. Okay. So that is something what we got. Now that is how much? 144,
4.
and then 1, 2, 3 times 0. Okay. That is the total area of what room, right?
Yes.
That is the area, bigger area, right?
So now we need to divide the area
No,
of
no,
the
no,
room.
no, no. First you need to find the area of this, na?
Yeah.
So area of this how much? 20 into 6 how much? 120.
120.
So what we have to got? We got area 2 how much? Area 2 how much we got? It is how much?
120.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because 20 multiplied by 6 is
120, right?
yes.
Okay, so total number how much you got? Number how you got? It is nothing but what? 144 and triple times 0 divided by 120. Let's not do a robot like work. Think smartly. Focus here. Focus. Let's focus here. 144. If you know smartly, 144 is nothing but 12 multiplied by 12, right?
Yes.
And then 1000, right? Correct?
Yep.
And then below I can do divided 12 divided by 10, right? Okay.
Yep.
Something will get cancelled. 112 go, 110 go. What I will get in the top, I will get 12 and then multiply by 100, right?
Yes.
Because 10 is gone from the below 0, right?
Yes.
So we'll get the answer how much? 1200.
Yep.
Make sense?
Yes.
Yeah. See, this is the way you have to do the problem. Like simplify try to find some way. Okay. No problem. Okay. All right. Last problem for the day, and we are done. Okay. The length of an ice cream brick is 45, and this is this much. The volume of ice cream is what is the height of this? Very simple. 45 into 2,
We
900.
can simplify it.
It's I can say 10.
Yes.
Very easy ना. 45 into 20, 90.
Yeah.
90 और यहाँ पे कितना है?
9,000 cubic centimeter.
920 में तो 45 into 20 होगा तो ये कितना होगा? 900 होगा, right?
900.
900 होगा कि 90 होगा? 900 होगा.
Yes.
तो यहाँ पे 900, यहाँ पे 9000 है.
Yeah.
900 multiplied by what? Equal to 9000?
10.
Answer is 10.
Yes, 10.
Okay. I hope you got the problem.
Yes, because we are dividing 9,000 cubic centimeter.
Yeah. How we got that? We
We-
got that because we are dividing 9000 divided by 900.
Yep.
How we got 900? That is 45 multiplied by 2.
20.
Okay.
Yes.
That's it. With this, we are done with the revision sheet which all your teacher have shared. I hope you got it. Okay.
Yes.